Here a short video on how to calibrate the Aqua Tools P150 Pro pH AC meter. We are now going to calibrate the pH. Turn the meter on and make sure the meter is in pH mode. You do this by pressing the mode key. Remove the cap and clean the electrode in distilled water. Dry the electrode. Then place the meter in a pH 7.00 buffer solution. Stir gently and wait for the value to stabilize. Press and hold the temp call button for 5 seconds so it will display pH 7.0. The meter is now calibrating. When the meter switches to normal mode, the calibration is done. Rinse and dry the electrode in distilled water. Place the meter in a pH 4.01 buffer solution. Stir gently and wait for the value to stabilize. Press and hold the temp call button for 5 seconds so it will display pH 4.0. The meter automatically recognizes the pH 4.01 buffer solution and calibrates itself. When the meter switches to normal mode, the calibration is done. Rinse the electrode in distilled water and dry it. Place the meter back in the pH 7.00 buffer solution. This way it can be checked whether the meter is properly calibrated. The meter indicates the correct value of pH 7.0. Repeat the same process with the pH 4.01 buffer solution. Rinse the electrode with clean tap water and dry it. Preferably store the pH electrode in KCl liquid so that it has a longer lifespan.